Okay, let's do a short review, or should I say analysis on V75 1S. So looking at V75 1S, what can we see? We can see from the H1, I'm not going higher than this. So from the H1 you can see price coming down, right? And then we took out something here, right? Took out something here. Then okay, you know what? Let's go to the 4 hours. 4 hours. Okay, okay. Looking at the 4 hours time frame, right? Overall, we have been bearish, right? Overall, we have been bearish, but then price came, right? Price came high, low, then took this high, low, high, took it out, right? And did high point and did the lowest point. So price took out something. This low has been um protected, so we are kind of bullish, right? On this side we are kind of bullish, but over on the higher time frame than this, we are going to be bearish. But we are seeing bullish intent, right? So since we are seeing bullish intent, so we are kind of bullish. But looking at this, we are in a kind of a, should I say, mini range. So we're going to go back to the 1 hour time frame to see, to build our bias, right? Let's go to the 1 hour. So this I'm going to explain majority of what I want to say. So like I said, on this, now on this leg now, right? On this leg, high, low, right? Then between this high and this low, we had some internal ranges, right? That took out this high. So we are now in alignment with the bullish intent on the H4, though you are kind of ranging in per se, but we're kind of bullish, right? Now looking at it, so we had 1 2 3, right? Then now from this low to this high, now looking at this range now, like getting it from this range to this high, this is a valid roadblock, right? A valid demand. So price came because it took out something, right? So price came, tap into it, swept it, and then reclaimed it, and it's heading higher, right? It's heading higher. So now, that being said, sure, I'm going to sort that one later. So that being said, um price what took it out, took this out and reclaimed. So when there's a reclamation like this, if you go to the higher time frame, you see that it's just going to be like a sweep of liquidity, the way we have our normal inducement, right? Inducement, liquidity, and the rest. So that's why I said this is not a BOS. If you check higher time frame, it's what an inducement taking. So on the lower time frame, it's going to be like an um like on the higher time frame, I mean to say, it's going to be like an SBI, that is sweet break, right? So now looking at that, with that knowledge at our hand, right? Then and then from this high now to this low, this is a valid roadblock, this is a valid supply. Why? Because he took out something, there's an inducement, and then all this, right? If this is the if this is the a valid a valid trend, or a higher trend, right, this will hold, because this is a valid setup. But I'm still going to risk, I'm still going to take the risk, because even though this is not even though this is not really strong, I'm still expecting like a significant pullback or something into this place, right, before we continue bullish, or we can even start selling from here to align with the overall trend. So yeah, that's just me yapping about what I'm seeing on the chart. So yeah, so I said the sell might not hold though, because of the there was no, that was not a BOS, but you never can tell. So let's observe, and react.